Let's Eat, 93 Midwest Eats. We got that well done pizza. So they caught up with your boy. I ain't even gonna say his name. They caught up with him at a fitness thing. It was bound to happen. Can't be out alone when you do stuff like that. That's crazy. God, this pizza well done. This pizza well done. I should have took it out when I went in the kitchen at first. Well done. I gotta get some money and go to that dentist. Bad. I need to hurry up to that dentist. My mouth hurt. I got all that. Why keep killing people like that? Man. Y'all was at school? That's good. School good. Yeah, they be shooting up them colleges. All these school shooters, y'all. This would have been good with some ranch. If I'm rich, I ain't going nowhere without security. That's just me. I almost tripped taking that trash out. That cat, he stayed running up to the door. That cat stayed running up to the door. I didn't know what that was. How many of y'all got pets? I don't. It's this cat that's always in the backyard. Nuisance. Barely chew it. Go to that dentist. I ain't got no money to go there. Pay my cash up in the description. Hop on that bus. I don't want the crust. There you are. It look real burnt, but it ain't burnt. That's edible. Now she gonna be 50. We go kids to be in high school. Pepperoni. Water. Almost forgot Quincer. Quince. George A still at Amazon?
Yeah.
That's good. She So small, she came up to me when I was up there.
Yes,
She got that part-time position.
yeah.
It was hot.
Yeah.
Get some of that close-up action. Hot. Go get you some burnt pizza. Whole mouth hurt. That's why I can't talk for real. Last little bit. Hey, watch some movies, bro. You watch the news all day.
Gotta know what's going on.
I ate chili dog. I ate chili dogs earlier, y'all. It's in the short video. I said, what, man? The amount of bread I ate today, I need to stop. The last bite. We're just going to bite it there. I don't want the crust. That's it, y'all. Well done pizza. Y'all like and subscribe.